An isolated, ancient, prehistoric valley remains preserved since nature's early era, governed by primitive land laws. This is no ordinary forest, but a specialized ecosystem, where solid rock surfaces conceal ancient hidden marshes. The protected ground of this unique wildlife arena features unyielding granite pillars standing like a secure fortress. The supreme guardian of this territory stands tall upon the high ridges, sensing an approaching danger line. A sudden powerful vibration rising from the deep cavern spaces terrifies the largest native wilderness predators today. A terrifying disaster hidden for long centuries on the island's darkest edge has finally emerged to hunt. Emerging from dark, mysterious waters, the world's largest primal predator, the giant python, enters this local territory. The ultimate dangerous and epic confrontation begins as the giant slithering invader challenges the local natural rule. The old forest silence shatters like an explosion as the giant python erupts directly from foliage. Utilizing unexpected velocity, camouflage patterns, and massive heavy bodies, the monster ambushed the island protector immediately. The invader advanced rapidly, wrapping steel coils and heavy loops around the defender's broad shoulders and chest. A Sanjin phase of death began where every passing second squeezed natural oxygen out of his lungs. Survival appeared completely impossible as the intense pressure brought the protector's skeleton close to breaking point tonight. The immediate jungle ecosystem experienced a severe wave of terror witnessing the potential fall of the king. But the true king's deep rage is his greatest destructive power, which the enemy underestimated completely today. Despite experiencing devastating physical pain and total body compression, the primate activated his mental capacity now. He lifted a heavy and Wozni granite piece from the mud using his available free hand immediately. This sharp geological element would serve as his primary defense tool to break the loop's hold. He drove the stone with force into the lower cranial base near the Titan-sensitive main artery. A severe wave of pain surged through the monster's body, forcing its tight coils to loosen today. Gaining absolute freedom, Kong combined his massive hands into a heavy hammer configuration for physical response now. He delivered an extremely powerful strike onto the Titan's jaw, causing fluid to erupt from its mouth. The Titan broke several old trees, crashing down onto the earth with a heavy and decisive thud. The jungle clearing has completely transformed into a dangerous death field where a fire of revenge burns. This Gamasan and Sanjin Ladea became a turning point where dominance was decided solely by physical force. The intense physical confrontation reaches its absolute conclusion, resulting in the total destruction of the enemy forces. Utilizing his remaining physical power, Kong dragged the lifeless Titan across the muddy ground with distinct purpose. He hurled the dead monster deep into the sanctuary's deepest and darkest cavern ruins permanently today now. Its return from the shadows of this ancient subterranean chasm is rendered completely impossible within nature today. The grand prehistoric duel concludes, leaving the ancient habitat secure under its rightful alpha leader now here. Covered in deep wounds, the victorious king emerges from the mud, seeking an elevated vantage point now. He climbs toward a high Pathrala Chatten as his respiration gradually returns to standard baseline levels today. The alpha primate mounts the high platform overlooking the entire valley expanse of his wilderness kingdom today. The final crimson ray of the setting sun falls on his chest, illuminating his extensive battle scars. The protective sparkle returns to his eyes as he confirms his absolute dominion over the entire land. Standing as a massive shadow between dusk and moonrise, he positions himself to guard his territory safely. He releases an immensely powerful roar toward the sky, shaking the entire perimeter of the sanctuary today. This roar declares that no matter what size invasion occurs, the absolute Badshah of territory remains. The absolute monarch stands firm, confirming that dominion over this prehistoric wilderness sanctuary remains Hamisha his. The unique landscape of the sanctuary is permanently modified by the extreme physical violence of today's fight. Agitated mineral elements settle once again into mud pools as the valley returns to quiet state. Life along the ground slowly resumes as smaller organisms witness the aftermath of the Titan's war now. These jagged stone crowns have witnessed the fall of massive invaders and the rise of victors. Scavengers descend from high altitudes to participate in the final chapter of this deadly wilderness struggle today. Relics of the combat are slowly buried by the sands of time, becoming part of natural history. Tranquility returns to the territory, but the memory of the dangerous invasion will echo Hamisha here now. Even the strongest kings must tend to their wounds after surviving a lethal encounter with monsters today. As dawn approaches, the predator's memory fades, and the sun honors the victors of the final battle Hamisha. Nature adapts quickly to violence, using the scars of the past as foundation for the future today. The waters are still once again hiding the memory of the giant predators that fought here earlier. Even in the site of destruction, new life begins to bloom, fueled by rich volcanic soil structures. Walking through the ferns, the ruler re-established his daily patrol of the land he successfully defended today. Standing tall, the ancient trees endure the passing of seasons and the violent wars of Titan's Hamisha. The forest is alive with movement as the cycle of life continues under watchful eyes here today. At night, the marsh reveals its eerie beauty, masking the violence that occurred beneath the silver moon. Steam rises from cooling earth as the heat of the battle dissipates into darkening night air channels. The jungle canopy hides many secrets, but the story of the hunt will Hamisha be told here. Small life forms emerge once again to claim their place in the cycle of nature today Hamisha. Even the strongest kings must tend to their domain after surviving a lethal encounter with monsters safely. The moon watches over a kingdom that has successfully defended itself against the greatest of terrors Hamisha. With the arrival of dawn, the king prepares to patrol his vast territory once again today Hamisha. The river remains a source of life for all creatures who call this mysterious basin home Hamisha. The waterfall provides a moment of reflection for the ruler who has survived another day today Hamisha. A king sees more than just a survivor in the reflection. He sees the weight of duty Hamisha. Light returns to the land, revealing the true scale of the prehistoric world where titans rule safely. Nature's small workers begin the task of reclaiming the site where massive primal titans fought earlier. Even the most fearsome predators are part of a delicate balance that sustains life Hamisha across Earth. Mountain waters steadily rinse the old muddy fields, restoring clarity across the entire marshland habitat zones today. Pristine atmospheric movements shroud the highest ridges, keeping silent vigil over changing primitive wildlife domains Hamisha. Morning condensation provides critical sustenance for small local organisms moving through dense hidden foliage layers routinely today. Towering ancient groves remain unaffected by massive apex confrontations, preserving natural structures over long eras Hamisha now. These ancient heights maintain an unyielding watch over the shifting cycles of life and primal animal combat. Equilibrium slowly settles across the terrain as natural selection establishes a peaceful transition between daily routines. The light